In this video series, we are going to learn how to create this Instagram login page, and you can see there are a floating labels. So when user click on here and type username, and the placeholder will become the label, and you can see the password also do the same. And there are also show hide password by clicking this. And you may also aware when two input fields are filled in with input, this button will become has a darker blue colors. So for example, we type something here, you can see it changed to a darker blue. So now let's go to create a new project. So we go inside the terminal and we type npx create next app with Tailwind, and then we type misc ig login teach, and then we start building a new project. And then we type cd misc ig login teach, and then we type code dot to enter the VS Code. So now under the pages, we create a components folder, and under this folder we create a new file called login.js, and then we type _ rafce, and then we type login here, and then we go to the index and we delete all of these unnecessary content. So we just remove this, and then we create a div, and then we create a login and save it. Now we go to the terminal, and then we type yarn dev, and then if we type localhost 3001, you can see the login appeared. So we are going to add some style on this login component, and then we have a class name is equal to xscreen, and then bg grade 100, and then we have fresh, and then we want to align in a column, so we use a fresh column, and then we have justify center and items center. So all of them we will place horizontal and vertically center. And then we create two div. So first we create a div and with background color white and margin bottom 3, and then we type login here. And then the second one we do the same with background color white, and we just type another div. So now you can see the two div aligned vertically center. This is because we have placed the item center here, and you may not see these gray color. So if we change this to a darker gray or 600, you can see this two div is aligned vertically center, and it is in fast column directions. So I turn it back to 100.